Hi, this is Greg with Vital Health Saunas, and today we're going to cover a topic on pain. Now, I don't think there's probably many adults walking in the world that have not experienced pain at one time or another. Pain can be a very good thing. You touch a stove, it burns you, it's designed to protect you. So you touch something, you do something you shouldn't do, your body tells you that hurts, sends a signal to your brain. Get off the stove, don't do that. So it's designed to protect us. However, when it becomes chronic, it can cause many disorders, depression being one of them, high blood hypertension, all kinds of things can go wrong in your body, lower your immune system. So I've got I do have some very intimate relations with this. I'm retired from the military. I've had 3 back surgeries, some worn out discs, worn out parts. When you do this stuff and you're as active as I was in the military, it did take a toll on my body. So in order to get off of the pain meds and anti-inflammatories that they wanted to feed me to live a normal life, I decided to look in other directions because I didn't want to, well, let's just say that these drugs, although they do work to make you feel more comfortable, there's a price you pay for them, and they destroy your kidneys, your liver, hard on your intestines, your stomach. Who wants to be on dialysis when they're 55, 60? That's not a way to live either. So do you stay in pain, or do you take the meds and lose your liver and kidneys as you get older? I just want to let you know that there is a different direction, and there are some things that you can do to help manage and maybe even completely alleviate the pain. I'm not saying it's going to do that for you. I can only tell you what it's done for me, and it's significantly helped me in reducing the pain into my neck, lower back, wrists. So what the infrared sauna is doing, okay, to reduce that pain, is it is increasing the blood flow, and it's reducing inflammation naturally without all the side effects that you're gonna experience by taking the medication. It's really it's almost, for me, I can sit here and tell you that it sounds too good to be true. For instance, I'll have my right wrist sometimes gets inflamed. I'll literally get in the sauna and I will focus the wrist, on get really deep penetration into the area that's hurting, and I will go to bed. I'll use it in the evening usually when I'm hurting, and I'll go to bed, and the next morning, no kidding, it's almost like it didn't exist. I mean, the pain is completely gone in my wrist. So it also really helps with my back, and I do some other things. I do exercises and stretches. All this is important, but the infrared sauna has been a really kind of a focal point of what I've done to help manage my pain. What's going to be important for you now, the quality of the sauna is very important. You got to get a sauna that has high quality infrared panels. Very important. They have to have deep penetration. Of course, low EMF, all this stuff is important, but you need deep penetration from every angle of the sauna. It's also important that you get a sauna that has magnetic flux therapy. So combine the infrared with the magnetic flux therapy, has a synergistic effect and increases the way that it reduces pain. Now, the magnetic flux therapy kind of acts in a different way, and it's been known to help reset those pain receptors. So the infrared is reducing that inflammation, increasing blood flow. The magnetic flux therapy is helping to reset those pain receptors to their natural state instead of being stuck on that on state, which is what's happening when someone's experiencing chronic pain. It's been amazing for me. The only way you're going to really know how well it works for you is to get one and try it. So we do know you're going to get how much relief and to what extent and how much pain you're in. All this is going to really matter when when you're using it and what it's going to do for you. But I'm confident in saying that it's going to help you. Okay, so again, the infrared sauna for pain relief. This is Greg from Vital Health Saunas.